How to use soil and salt to stop limitations in your life. In case someone put limitations to you that you can never go above, you can never exceed this, okay? You can never. They put limits to you where you have to stop. You can never succeed. I'm going to be telling you how you can use soil and salt to stop limitations. Yes, soil is very powerful. Virgin soil, I know some parts of the country, some people have access to soil and some people never. It's very important for you to find virgin soil. It's somehow red. I'll put a picture of it here so that you get you know how it looks like. And that soil is the soil that you can plant something and it grows fast. That is what you are going to find. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make use of it to stop hardship, hindrance, problems, limitations. Yes, in case they pressed a curse on you, because soil is something that they can use to place a curse on someone. They can use to command, and that shall be. If someone wants to do something bad to you, most cases, if they want to end your life, they are going to get soil that you have stepped on. Yes, they are going to find soil where your shoe has stepped on. And mostly, if someone wants to end your life completely, they are going to find the soil you have stepped on without shoes. Yes, so be aware of that. Now I'm going to be telling you how you are going to make use of soil and salt to stop limitations whatsoever. If they put a limit on you that you can never succeed, you can never go above, you can never get this, you can never be happy, this is the time to end it. So guys, welcome back to the Golden Blossom channel. My name is Jackie. If you're new here, thank you so much for always coming up. On this channel, I share a lot of spiritual tips and I guide you through on how to do spiritual work for you so that you can live a happy life. So feel free to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first one to watch the video anytime I upload. So as you can tell, I'm going to be telling you how to use salt and soil to stop limitations in this world. As you know that salt is very, very important. Spiritually is very powerful. It gets rid of negativity, evil, curses, witchcraft, whatever. You can use salt or sea salt to get rid of that. And soil is very, very powerful. Never play with something called soil that is created by God. And 90% of the food that we eat comes from soil. It's grown from soil. That shows how powerful soil is. It can end you. It has positivity and negativity attached to it. Now, I'm going to be telling you how to make use of good or positive energy to get rid of limitations in your life by using soil. Okay, so what you're going to do is to find the virgin soil. Like I said, the soil that has never been stepped on, soil that has never worked or done anything. Okay, just virgin soil. That's soil you can use to grow anything, any plant. That is how powerful soil is. It's sea salt or just normal salt. In case you can't access sea salt, but sea salt is very powerful. In this spiritual work, you are going to mix the two of them together. Mix them together. Okay, you can get 1 tablespoon of sea salt and mix with sand together. And as you are mixing it, you are going to start praying, command and ask for the mercy of God. Let the mercy be upon you. Okay, so doing this spiritual work without prayers is like building a house without foundation. It's like you are up here and there is nothing attached down to hold you. So anytime you can fall, that goes with prayers. It's very important. So you can say all the good commands about yourself. Moving into a new year, this is very needed to everyone watching me right now. So you are blessed. You have not found this video for a mistake, but you have found it by a purpose. It's going to help you. And you are going to mix sand and soil together, and as you are mixing it, you are going to cancel out the delays, the hindrance, the rejection in life, the curses, the witchcraft that was sent to you, all the black mask, everything that you face in this life, all the problems that you face in this life, there is something behind it. There is a reason as to why you're always going through this hardship. It's because maybe someone else did this to you. They put X's on you, they put curses, they put black magic on you. So all the limitations, you can't go above, you can't exceed, you can't have success plans. They always put something to limit you, never to go above. So you have to break and cancel out all this just by mixing sand and soil, activating the power of it. Yes, activating the power of sand and soil. Like I told you, sand is very, very powerful. Few people know how to make use of it. Yes, so what you're going to do after mixing it together, you are going to put in a basin and add water. Yes, start by putting water on your feet. Yes, use your right hand and bath your feet. As you are bathing it, again, cancel all the limitations. I know some people are going to be saying they can't put their legs in soil, that water is dirty. You are going to need that water, you're going to need that soil. If you have limitation in life, yes, we were created from soil, and once you die, you end up going back in soil. So there is nothing bad about it. Everything that comes from soil is good. There is no one who has ever died and they go somewhere else. Otherwise, they end up going back to where they came from. That is why I said soil has spirits, negative and positive spirits that are attached to it. That is why you always need the power of sea salt to wipe all the negativity from it. So guys, like I said, you are going to wash your feet, pray against rejection, pray against limitations, pray against hindrance, pray against excess, pray against everything, and ask for the mercy of God. This applies to everyone. It does not matter your religion, you can do this. You can pray against all the limitations, and trust me, you are going to see good things. Only good things will be attracted to you once you use or you activate the power of soil and salt together. They are very powerful. You will see the meaningful of them once you use it. You will see how your life is going to change. There is no limitations into your life again. No more delays, no more rejection, no more failure in life. You have failed, right? So after that, you are just going to throw away the water after using it. And then remember never to dry yourself with a towel after any spiritual bath. That way you are going to benefit from it. Ask God to work and activate the power of soil and salt on your feet. Let it dry by itself, and then you are good to go. You can repeat this for a period of 7 days, 7 times, doing it daily on a daily basis, and trust me, you will see a difference. It does not matter what time you do it. You can do it in your free time, as long as you follow the procedures in a very right way. Do not do it in a wrong way. Trust me, you have to be clean. You have to stay away from those sexual activities. You have to apart yourself from your partner sexually, and then you see how God is going to answer your prayers. You see how things are going to be going good on your side. So that is how you're going to be using soil and salt to stop limitations, all the limits that were placed on you. Thank you so much for watching. You can share this video with anyone and tell them how to stop limitations in their life. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.